Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin Graves and I'm joined with the co-president Cassidy Hughes, and we are students of Scotiabank-University of Prince Edward Island, and we are so excited to present our project Berry and Bloom for the Scotiabank Climate Action Challenge. In this presentation, we will address what our initiative is, what we have accomplished so far this year, and our overall impact in our community. Berry and Bloom is a student-led business founded on a passion for sustainability and environmental education. We upcycle paper waste on campus into beautiful homemade all-occasion greeting cards. Best of all, these cards contain locally sourced poppy seeds that make our cards plantable. So you just plant the cards into the soil and watch them bloom into beauty. This is an example of some of our Valentine's Day cards we created for 2022. And as you can see, each card is sold for only $5. And we don't just do all occasion greeting cards, we also do business cards, wedding invitations, product tags, and gift tags. Our process starts with collecting unwanted paper waste from UPEI. The paper is then shredded, blended into a water mixture, and screened out into layers. Wildlife-friendly seeds are then spread in between these layers, and the paper is pressed to dry. This process diverts unwanted paper waste from landfills, bypassing the wasteful recycling process and in turn reducing CO2 emissions from the industry. So just a little bit about the paper industry. Paper makes up to 25% of municipal waste in Canada. Millions of trees are cut down each year. 20% of paper is actually lost during recycling, and the paper industry is the third largest polluter of air, water, and land.
As an environmentally conscious business, we strive to produce a tangible impact on our community in addition to committing to our sustainable practices. Some of our community-based initiatives under the scope of Berry and Bloom include environmental literacy and food insecurity awareness. As a not-for-profit, all proceeds from the sale of our recycled plantable products are entirely reinvested into these community initiatives. How are we tackling environmental literacy? Our team has created an online interactive platform that offers games, quizzes, and video lectures that make learning about the environment more fun for kids of all ages. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have not been able to present this content to students in person, but we have provided the link to these resources to the PEI Public School Board to incorporate into their class curriculums as they see fit to provide environmental education to island students remotely and therefore more safely. In terms of food security, we have worked closely with the PEI Community Fridge Project to support islanders' need for safe and nutritious food. In addition to keeping the fridge and pantry stocked with fresh local produce, we have also collaborated with a local startup catering business to donate 100 meals to the fridge. This farm-to-table approach to tackling food availability aims to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions associated with producing, transporting, and storing wasted food in landfills. Our project thereby commits to a full-circle approach to climate change, as environmental illiteracy and food insecurity are two social issues greatly associated with the health of our community and the health of our planet. As we've mentioned before, our project Berry and Bloom thrives on producing tangible impact on our community. We do this by reducing water and paper material waste in our paper products, reducing CO2 emissions in our production process, and fostering green initiatives and environmental consciousness in our population, all in addition to creating and supporting environmental education and food security. As of today, Berry and Bloom has sold over 250 cards in just 2 months, generating over $1,250 toward environmental literacy and food security in our community. With this project, we have been able to donate 100 safe and nutritious meals to island families in need. Our production process has diverted 19,938 liters of water and 0.058 metric tons of greenhouse gas from the paper industry. As a community-oriented business, we certainly thrive on supporting local and appreciate all of the love our community has given back to us. Local supporters of Berry and Bloom this year include UPEI, Yonder, ESSO, PEI Reach Foundation, PEI Community Fridge, Fessy Seeds, Leading Learners, Juice Co., and the Boys Catering Company. On behalf of Enactus UPEI, we thank you for your time and consideration. Take care.